Here comes our tram.
Here comes the car. Your mom is for the light? So you're going to sit next to her and encourage her to be calm. Well, you expect to see a beautiful forest,
yes,
a few birds.
A few birds.
And if you're lucky enough, you'll see some wildlife like the agouti.
What's that?
An agouti is like a rodent.
A rodent? Okay.
Yeah. And beautiful trees.
Is it going to rain?
Green forest.
Rain in the rainforest?
Well, today it's a rainforest, but today, you know, it's a little bit good weather.
That's great. We love the weather.
You love the weather?
Yeah.
Oh, you're just missing one of the elements, which is the rain.
It was raining just before we got off the ship. It was raining very hard.
Okay, so you had a share.
This is lovely. This is lovely.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, once again, let me just introduce myself to you. May I say welcome to the Rainforest Aerial Tram. My name is Octave Joseph. My friends or colleagues call me Crosscheck, so it's okay if you call me anyhow. I'm going to be with you for the next 90 minutes. The total length of the ride on the gondola is 1.9 miles or 3.08 kilometers. We are moving at a speed of about 200 feet per minute and an average elevation of about 60 feet above the ground. Yes, an average elevation. Some areas you might be a bit lower and some you might be much higher.
Right now, are we? Going through the rainforest, there's a bridge.
Sure.
Over the river.
Around your classes. Yeah, that's great.
I was looking every day after
So you're on the rainforest with us?
Actually, the e-talk and stuff.
And then middle.
There are 5 operators and a free station.
There's an open air tram, holds 8 people.
You do that prior to starting every day? In the morning, before you start.
That's how you get the 87.
So you get tours primarily?
We'll be 300 feet above the river.
Sometimes occasionally
You can hear the river.
That just show up on there, but not often. It's a long way from the port. Yeah, I'd have a hard time finding trams from the city, you know, when we get off at the ship, you know, we got off at the pier.
I'm sorry about the reason.
They're doing a lot of work.
You guys been under construction for like 3 years now?
Well, road construction just seems to go on and on. These are all entries going up with just not that many people.
Yeah, we have bunch of the right.
All right. Let me tell you, something dropped at Tower 8. Tower 8. Down there. Yeah, a black, looking like a camera.
It's a video camera.
A video camera.
Small, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you realize it. Exactly.